guys, welcome to Healthy Eats. Today we are making Palak chicken. Combination of both the main ingredients is a healthy package of iron and proteins which is well loaded with minerals and vitamins. It has simple ingredients and can be cooked in kitchen of every gym goer. So let's get started with the recipe. In a wok I am taking around 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Then I will add cumin seeds and 1 dried red chili. Let them splutter and then add 2 chopped onions and saute them until they turn brown. After that I am adding puree of 3 tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and saute until the mixture leaves oil on the sides. After that I am putting 200 grams of chicken breast. Putting a little bit of water to add some moisture and then cover it with the lid and let the chicken cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. Check the chicken and then add half teaspoon of garam masala. Now the last step is to add the spinach puree and let the chicken cook again for 2 to 3 minutes on simmer. And it's done. Instead of cream I am using whisked curd for garnishing. With this quick and easy recipe, you can have best of both the worlds. A great workout and a healthy muscle building meal afterwards that's ready in particularly no time. Do try this recipe, I'm sure you will love it.